All right, so this is a 2015 GMC Yukon SLT. Just making this video just to show the troubleshooting that I did as far as for the front driver's seat not working, and what my solution was to finding out what it was that caused it to not, to stop working. So this is my best friend's truck. He wanted me to detail it also, which I'm done doing. Y'all can see everything wiped down, but the other thing is, like I said, is that the seat, the front driver's seat, stopped working. He took it to the transmission shop. The guy that did the transmission work pushed the seat all the way up as far as it can go, and test drove the truck. And then after that, it would not move back or anything like that. So, like I said, when he brought it to me, like I said, he wanted me to detail the inside of the truck and see what's going on with this driver's seat. So the first thing I did is that I looked through every fuse panel on this damn truck. So you got a fuse panel under the hood, you got another fuse panel on the left side of the dash, another fuse panel on the right side of the dash, and you got another fuse panel located on the left side panel in the hatch. So I checked all the fuses. All the fuses were fine. Nothing was blown. Next thing to check is this actual switch. This is the actual switch that I bought for the seat. So you can imagine this is how this sits, just like this, in the seat now. So like I said, you got your front and back, up and down, functions and everything. Same, like I said, same thing. How this looks, how that switch looks. This is how that switch looks on the inside of the seat. So, like I said, I thought it was the switch. Unplug the plug. It's a plug. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a plug right there, and it's another plug. I don't know if my camera can get that one. It's another plug right there. So, and then you got a screw. That's a star head screw. Pull that out, and then this whole piece will pull back. So once you do that, give me a second. Music too loud. So once you do that, this little panel right here will come back, and then you'll be able to see this sitting just like this. So like I said, you got a plug here that you'll pull out, a plug here that you'll pull out. Now the only thing is that when I went ahead and pulled these plugs out and plugged that new one in, damn thing still didn't work. So I'm like, okay, now move to the next thing. Up under here, I don't know if y'all can see, I gotta pull this back down, but it's a I don't know if my camera can even get back there, but it's a module. It's a module box right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's got, I'm trying to get a better angle of it, but that's the module box. It has 3 plugs on this side, and that's a better view of the other side, and there's 3 more plugs on this side. So and I think the part number, let me see, the part number for that was 23120589. Now that's for the module. And for the part number for the switch, I'm gonna put all this in the link. Part number for the switch is a 232-47097. So like I said, I tried the switch, it didn't work. Next thing is the module box. So now the thing is with the module box, that module box controls this, the seat, this switch over here. As you can see, if I hit it, it moves that. You can hear the clicking. That's that box clicking, the inside of it clicking. And you also got the pedal adjust button, in which you can see the pedals moving, but you can hear that clicking as I'm doing it. So all that is ran through that module box. So I said, well, damn, it's got to be the module box then. So I went ahead and ordered one just in case. But then still, I'm looking up, going to work to my regular job, and I'm looking up, you know, wiring schematics. I'm looking up this and looking up that, and I'm like, okay, well, damn, it's got to be that module box. So just to be on the safe side, I got off work, came home, I looked at that damn panel again, and I see a fuse is the description that says driver side power fuse. So, which is this. Now, mind me, I said I checked all of these damn fuses. So with this fuse, which I know I'm probably not gonna be able to get a real good picture of it, but yes, I think I can. If you can see in between that, I thought that this fuse was good, and I was wrong. So you got these 30 amp fuses right here. You got one here and another one here. This is for the driver's seat, and then this is for the driver side window and the rear driver's side, rear passenger side on the driver's side window. So let me get the file up. So you see, I'm just putting in accessory mode. I started it up. So as you see, because I don't have that fuse in there, the window doesn't go up and down or anything. So what I did, like I said, is I know I looked at this damn fuse, but like I said, it's got this plastic white piece up on it, and if you don't look that damn close at it, it'll look like it's not blown, but like I said, if you look in there, you can see that that's blown. So like I said, with them being the same fuses, I said, let me see what happened. Switch that fuse up there, switch that one down there. Guess what happened? See, it works now. So I end up going to Advanced Auto, and I bought another box of fuses for this size, so his windows can work. But like I said, with this, your solution to this is going to either be that fuse. I did the number 40. Let me see, the number 40. No, I'm wrong. 44. The number 44 fuse in the fuse panel, which would be that one right there. So it's this one. That fuse would be for the power seat. Or if it's not a blown fuse, and you check, like I said, if you checked all the fuses and not a blown fuse, it could be the damn switch that's right here, or it can be that module box. Or you can go down to where it could be your motors. On another forum, I saw a guy where the seat was going up. I guess moving the other seat back and forth, you know, over time or whatever, and the wires got frayed and actually arced up against the metal up under the seat. So he actually had to pull his whole damn seat out just to get to the wires, you know, cover him up and everything. Then his seat ended up, you know, working again. But like I said, any of those solutions might be to that, because like I said, that module box sends out the signal to this. The module box sends out the signal to the pedal adjust button, and it sends out the signal to the seat, the memory seat switch on the door. So like I said, it could be that, the actual switch to the seat, the fuse box, or the wires, like I said, frayed up under the seat. So like I said, now everything is working. You know, I was breaking my damn brain, and or like I said, it could be the motors too also. But like I said, everybody, you know, thing might be different or whatever. So just got to troubleshoot and find out what it is. So like I said, I'm just making this video to help anybody out there, you know, that will need help with the same thing I just went through. So appreciate it.